If you want the rubber bits for your sweet ride to stay looking nice and last a long time, you've got to protect them with something. Now the best product I've found for that is 303 Protectant. It's water-based, so it doesn't have any petroleum distillates or alcohol that could actually harm rubber like this. I don't recommend products like Armor All for this type of job. The first thing you need to do is clean thoroughly whatever you're going to put the 303 on. I like to use a foaming cleaner like this Tough Stuff. The foam really lifts up the dirt. It makes it easier to clean. I'm using a rag just to catch the overspray as I put it on. I'll let it do its magic for a few seconds and then vacuum it off. As you can see, it did a great job of lifting the dirt out of this groove here. And then with the clean rag, I just wipe up the excess. Look at all that nasty stuff. So a lot of people will actually spray the 303 on, but I like using a paintbrush instead. It lets you really get down in the nooks and crannies and evenly spread it out. I keep the excess 303 in just a mason jar. It stores easily. So we brush it on, just making sure we get it everywhere. It's kind of hard to say how much to put on. You don't want too much and you don't want too little. Just a nice even coat. Now 303 isn't meant to dry on the product, so after you've let it set for just a few seconds really, you need to go ahead and take a clean cloth and buff it off. Now you notice the rubber is a lot deeper black color now. Not only does the 303 help it protect it from UV, it also conditions it a little bit. And that's all there is to it. Just repeat the same steps on all of the rubber trim. And it's great for vinyl and dashes too. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing is to use. Bye. Thanks for watching.